Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. So in this video we will clean up our Windows 11 by deleting the temp file, prefetch files as well as the unused files from your Windows. So don't worry, your data is safe, you just need to follow me. So first of all we will delete the temp file. Temp file basically when you work on your Windows and your system automatically make the temp files. So it's time to delete them, no harm to your computer as well as your data. So you need to press Windows plus R button together like this, or you can right click here on the start menu, okay, and click on run option, and you need to type here temp, T-E-M-P, okay, and let me show you the first my C drive, how much space I'm going to clean. You can see I have 37.7 GB free now, and after deleting the temp file I will show you later that. Okay, click on temp and you can see I usually delete all the temps. You need to press control+a button together to select all, and then shift plus delete button to permanently delete these. If you normally delete these, it will go to a recycle bin, so you need to clean the recycle bin as well later. So now you can see temp file has been deleted, just cut it. Now again you need to press Windows plus R button together and type here percentage TEMP and percentage and hit OK. Once you hit OK, you will see lot of files and folders here. You need to again press Ctrl+A, then shift delete, permanently delete all the. Okay, now you can see it's clean now. Now the third command is Windows plus R, prefetch, and hit OK and click on continue option. You need to press again Ctrl+A and then shift delete and hit yes. Okay, and now you can see all the data has been cleaned, temp files as well as the prefetch files. So it's time to run the clean mzr. Clean mzr basically cleans as well as the Windows update file which is not in a use. So you need to press Windows plus R button again and type a clean mzr and hit OK and hit OK again. Now you will see here you need to click on this option, clean up your system file. If you are not getting this option, you just need to tick all of them. Okay, I'm choosing this option, clean up system files. Now you can again OK, and this will fetch the Windows old file as well. You can see Windows upgrade files, Microsoft Defender antivirus, temporary installation, recovery, temp, recycle bin, language. Tick all the boxes from here, click on OK, click on delete files, and this is going to take some time. You need to have patience after that. Just wait for some time, it will go to, and it will automatically close once all the temporary files as well as the Windows update files is deleted. Now just wait. I don't have that much data since I usually clean all the prefetch files as well as the run clean mzr commands usually. But this is the correct way to clean your all the caches as well as the temp file from your Windows 11. So since it is going on here, now you can see it's closed automatically. Again press Windows plus R button, again type clean mzr, hit OK, clean, and select here the D drive. If your window is installed in this D drive, this is also going to give you some space. Clean up system and C D. Okay, Windows upgrade files. Okay, okay, so in the third step we will check the storage sense settings. Click on settings here. Now you will see here the storage option. Click on that and it will detect all the used locations. Now it will show where your drive is used. Now you can see install app, taking, desktop, other. From here you need to look for temporary files. Click on that. Okay, and you need to just untick this option, download option, since I have some personal data in it, and you can choose rest of all of them. And once you choose all of them, you need to click on remove files, and this is also going to give you some free space. Okay, now in the fifth method we will use the system restore point. If your system is create system restore point, so this is also going to take some space from your, just type the restore and you will see a create a restore point. Open that and you will see configure options. Now you can see 309 MB is used in my C drive, so I need to click on delete option here. Click on yes. All the unwanted files and folder will be deleted from your system restore. So don't worry, your data is safe. After that we will recreate the system restore point. Click on OK. Now you can see OK. Now you can see 0 byte is OK. Click on OK, and now again you need to configure it so that you're OK. Now you need to again click on C options and then click on create and type the date here, which is 10, which is 1/10/2023. Click on create, and this is going to give you also some space like 4-5 GBs. Click on close. Now you can see if I click on restore point, I will get the latest one, new. You can see here. Okay, so this is how you can clean the cache from your Windows. And once you apply all the steps, just restart your system from here. Okay, and you are good to go. And let me show you my data first. If I refresh this, I will get some free space here. Let me refresh. You can see. Okay, so this is how you can clean the cache from your Windows 11 temp file, junk files. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix stack, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.